Your query takes 4 seconds without an index and 2 milliseconds with one. Without an index, your database executes a sequential full table scan, forcing the disk to read every single data page into memory just to find one matching row. Proper database indexing is not optional because unindexed queries scale linearly with data growth, quickly exhausting your database connection pool under load. Share this with a backend engineer who needs to master system performance. A btree index turns an O of n sequential scan into a logarithmic O log n lookup, but it introduces a severe wait path penalty because every insert, update, or delete must now modify the index tree. Interviews test your ability to balance this trade-off, specifically identifying candidates who know how write amplification affects throughput. For example, query filters on user ID and created at timestamp require a single composite index, not 2 separate ones. Save this post to reference during your next system design prep session. The most common mistake is indexing low cardinality columns, like status booleans, which actually slows down writes without helping the query optimizer bypass disk reads. When asked in backend interviews, explain that proper indexing requires aligning composite index columns with the query's left-to-right prefix while keeping write overhead minimal. If you want to master database trade-offs, follow for more concepts that show up in backend interviews.